Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You've seen all our beautiful contrast cut wheels. You can now do your own. So if you get your old wheels, these were actually pretty rough off Bryce Dyna. You can see the shine. It's that shine, it actually looks better than contrast cut because these are lacquered as well. So the wheels are basically powder coated, stuck in a lathe. All these edges beautifully machined. As you can see here, just check the spokes. You've got a contrast cut finish for a fraction of the price of buying a billet wheel. And the great thing as well is where your tyre goes, all this is powder coated too, so you've got a much better fit, which is smooth, which means that your tyre will sit on this as opposed to a bit of corrosion that obviously happens over the years. But here's a matching rear, and as you can see, it's beautiful. Looks like these the latest breakout wheel, but these were actually from a 99 Dyna. But this is actually like the Turbo Vec, whatever you want to call it, style of the latest bikes. So if you're interested in getting any contrast cutting done, or new bearings, ABS, 25mm or 3/4, or bearing reducers, give us a call. 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. We do, of course, also do the crazy money billet wheels if you want them. You see here's your proper contrast cut. And your pulleys, your matching discs, etc. brake upgrades. So if you want to go for a full chrome billet wheel or pulley, also give us a call. 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com.